Have you noticed how the strobe light is also a searchlight? The same way we are surveilled is how we celebrate. Tinsel is our stage, our backstage curtain, our Christmas leaky ceiling bucket. Covered in gelatinous detritus, we put things on and take them off. A harness for an automatic pistol. A wine glass kicks its legs up. Butterfly hair clips and a brushed out bob. Outside, it's the X-Files on the sidewalk. Inside, there's a green neon star on your back. That shape shifts, and you do too. You keep emerging as someone else in a smoke machine flood. A sheath here to rhinestone your... I've been too tired to tell you, but you mean everything to me. Your waterworks and projected crimson swish across a wall. What does it cost us to make art, and what is the cost if we don't? We're neighbors. Dancer femmes in translucent heels, teetering on platforms of drag show leftovers. I came today for your filament, and you gave me flashing LEDs. I want you to leave me a piece of you. The afterbirth, if you can spare it. I'm hoping to be born one more time before the world keeps glowing. Déjame un pedacito de ti, pegajoso y fragante, como el vello entre tus piernas.